Today we will talk about the rule 02. And the interesting thing about the rule 02 is a accumulation of two rules in question. It's a rule 0 and a rule 2. So we'll start with rule 0 first. In rule 0, what we basically imply is that you should not be doing any habit that you want to pursue for 0 minutes or for 0 count in that particular day. So giving you an example, for example, you want to start a good hobby, any hobby for that matter. If you want to get well and if you want to get healthy, you might say that, okay, I want to do 100 push-ups in a day. So you should not be doing 0 push-ups in that day. Or if you want to start reading books, you don't want to have 0 pages of a book read in a particular day. Or if you want to start walking, you would not have 0 steps walked in a day. So the first thing is that you should not be doing 0 of that particular activity, whichever you think is a good habit to pursue, or any productivity hack that you're trying to pursue. And we can talk about later on what are good things to pursue. It's a separate discussion. The second thing that we come down to, leading from our 0, is the 2. So what is it about 2 is that you need to do for 2 minutes any piece of work that you are starting to include in your daily life. For example, if you want to start exercising, you're going to say to your brain, I'm only going to do it for 2 minutes. And that's how you'll get started on it. Or you would read 2 pages of a book, or you would say that, okay, I'm just going to walk for 2 minutes. And in that way, you can actually trigger your brain to be able to do activities, and then hopefully it'll get longer than 2 minutes. But the moment you think about doing an activity and you say, okay, I'm going to spend the next 1 hour doing it, it seems to be an over-daunting exercise for yourself, and you're like, okay, let me park it for the moment and let me get back to it later. But with the 2-minute rule, you can just get into it directly. What is 2 minutes? It's like 120 seconds for all you know. Like even watching this video was just like 2 minutes. Apply the 0-2 to anything and everything that you want to do. What habits, what new hacks you need to apply in your life, that's another separate video. We'll talk about it in some other video. Thank you so much for watching today.